Luxury brands are redefining exclusivity by embracing digital channels. AI-driven personalization and virtual showrooms are transforming customer engagement, offering tailored experiences that were once only available in store. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass, LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual try-on, VTO, technologies are now mainstream. They allow customers to virtually experience luxury items, bridging the gap between digital and physical shopping experiences. Counterfeit goods pose a multi-billion-dollar problem for luxury brands. Blockchain technology offers a solution by providing tamper-proof digital certificates, ensuring product authenticity and traceability. AWS blockchain services enhance traceability from manufacturing to consumer. This technology empowers brands to combat counterfeiting and maintain trust with their clientele. Luxury consumers demand highly tailored experiences. AI recommendation engines analyze purchase history and preferences, offering personalized product suggestions that resonate with individual tastes. Amazon SageMaker aids brands in predicting trends and managing inventory. This ensures that luxury brands stay ahead of consumer demands and maintain their exclusivity. Consumers increasingly demand ethical sourcing and sustainability in luxury goods. AWS services enable real-time tracking of materials, ensuring transparency in sourcing diamonds, gold, and rare materials. Brands can now assure customers of ethical practices, enhancing their reputation and aligning with modern consumer values. Luxury transactions involve high-value payments, making security crucial. AWS WF and Amazon Guard Duty protect online transactions, detecting fraud and mitigating cyber threats. Amazon RDS ensures secure payment data storage with encryption, providing peace of mind for both brands and consumers. Business Compass, LLC, specializes in AWS solutions for luxury brands. Well-architected reviews ensure security, performance, and cost efficiency, empowering brands to thrive in the digital age. AWS services enable seamless omnichannel integration and cybersecurity. By leveraging these solutions, luxury brands can maintain their exclusivity while embracing digital transformation.